Welcome back to online classes of Semistar Global School. Students, in the previous video on practice session, I have given you an assignment on acids, bases and salts. Now I am giving you the answers of that assignment. Now let's see the answers of our first exercise, that is objective type questions. Which of the following is present in milk of magnesia? Milk of magnesia is a weak base which contains magnesium hydroxide, which is a strong acid. Among all these options, only sulfuric acid is a mineral acid. And we know that mineral acids are very strong acid. So sulfuric acid is the correct option. Which is a neutral substance? We know that the substances that are neither acidic nor basic in nature are called neutral substances. Here, hydrochloric acid is acidic in nature. Sodium hydroxide is basic in nature. Calcium hydroxide is also a base. So, common salt is a correct answer. Which is not an indicator? We know that blue litmus, beetroot and methyl orange, these are the examples of indicator, except antacid. Antacid is used to cure indigestion. Which of the following is the common name of sodium hydroxide? Caustic soda is the common name for sodium hydroxide. Which is the chemical name of slaked lime? Calcium hydroxide. Which of the following is present in cold drinks? Malic acid is present in apples. Citric acid is present in citrus fruits. Lactic acid is present in curd. And carbonic acid is present in cold drinks. Next exercise is fill in the blanks. Acids are sour in taste. Sulfuric acid is used in petroleum refining. Bases are soapy to touch. Citric acid and lactic acid are the examples of organic acids. Sodium hydroxide is used in making rayon. Next is match the following. Pause the video, cross-check your answers with whatever you have done. Next exercise is true or false. Answer the following questions. Give 3 examples each of mineral and organic acids. 3 examples of mineral acids are sulfuric acid, nitric acid and hydrochloric acid. 3 examples of organic acids are lactic acid, acetic acid and tartaric acid. List 4 properties of acids and bases. 4 properties of acids are: acids have a sour taste, they are soluble in water, they turn blue litmus paper red, they turn methyl orange solution red. Properties of bases are: bases are bitter in taste, they are sloppy to touch, they may or may not be soluble in water, they turn red litmus paper blue. Next question is, what is neutralization reaction? The reaction in which an acid reacts with a base to form salt and water is called neutralization reaction. Why calamine solutions applied on insect bites? Calamine solution is a weak base which neutralizes the formic acid injected by the insects, and thus the person gets relief from the pain caused by the sting. And the last question is, which acid is present in the following? Lactic acid is present in curd, formic acid is present in ant sting, tartaric acid is present in tamarind, and acetic acid is present in vinegar.